Waking up to morning light, everything just feels alright. Little moments, small and sweet, like the rhythm of my feet. Birds are singing out my name. Every day's a little change. In the quiet I can see life is more than it used to be. I don't need too much today, just a simple kind of way. Every breath I slowly take feels like something I can make. Little happy things and follow me now. In the quiet sunlight I remember how little happy things make my heart feel new. It's the smallest moments that can carry me through.
Hello, papasok na kami.
Coffee cups and open skies, soft reflections in my eyes. Walking slow, no place to be, just this calm surrounding me. Every laugh, every sound feels like something I have found. Not too big, not too far, just enough to be who we are. Nothing more I need to chase, I have found my gentle pace. Every second feels so right, wrapped in a soft and golden light. Little happy
Eto, maliit
things
pa ngayon. Laki-laki
all
na.
around me now. In the quiet sunlight I remember how little happy things make my heart feel new. It's the smallest moments that can carry me through. Maybe this is all I need. Tiny joys that set me free. In between the rush and noise, life is made of little joys, little happy things. Stay with me. Soft and free. Anything.
Dahil dumating si Sam, naglipat kami ng cabin. Charot! Hindi kinaya yung 800 na cottage. Update ka na.
Kung hindi ka dumating, hindi ka nyo aalis eh.
Everything you do, it takes you dream on.
Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed.
Ayan, nagutom na. Tapos maligo. Kain-kain muna. ko yun, oh. Yun, oh, talon. Ay, may isip bata, oh. May isip bata, oh. Ayun, oh. Oh. Ayun pa, oh. Ah, picture! Okay. Ah, picture. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Sige. Ah, patingin. Yan, bibidyo tayo habang nakasisi.
May na lang tayo dali.
1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2,
Wait lang.
Hi guys! Dati naman sa akin, gumalaga. Ay, kuya! Dito na tayo kumainin. Kami kuya na naman ako yan. Oh, wow. Ako naman agad yan. Guys, like kami ko. Kaya like kayo. Like kuya. Di ba kaya pa? Di ba makita? Ito yung tingin ha. Yan, ito. Hindi ko yun ha. Like kayo. Dali. Ang dami na.
Ben, si Vince may salbabida na.
Oh, 3. Ay, Nea! Walang salbabida yan. Nasa 3 feet.
Fancy. I got the yo, Balenciaga, Gucci, Fendi, Louis, but I got the yo, Balenciaga, Gucci, Fendi, Louis, but I got the yo, Balenciaga, Gucci, Fendi, Louis, but I got the yo. I got the yo, Balenciaga, Gucci, Fendi, Louis, but I got the yo, Balenciaga, Gucci, Fendi, Louis, but I got the yo, Balenciaga, Gucci, Fendi, Louis, but I got the yo.
Hi guys! Uwian na! Ako may uwiyak pang bata. Bye-bye! Bye-bye Circle Island!
Ibigyan ko kayo pag
Di pwedeng ay maiiwan. Lahat kasama pag may kasiyahan. Kaya't sama tayo na parang magkabarkada lang.
Simula ka nung una, pag ako may problema, alam ko may matatakbuhan. Sa sandal na walang iwanan, kahit anong sabihin nyo, mga kapatid ko to, kasama ko to sa hirap ko, ginawa mago naman ang mundo. Tsaka iba talaga saya ng iyong dala, pag tayo ay sama-sama na, yung tipo nakakalimutan mo ang lahat ng problema mong dala. Basta ganun na nga, pag tayo'y kumpleto na, mas masaya, diba?
Gusto ko kasama kayo sa kulitan, sarap walang iwanan at